Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of October 2023 for all the Libra Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of October for all the Libra Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Sun controls your 11th house, and right now your 11th house Lord is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Virgo. 11th house deal with your friend circle, your professional circle is seen from 11th house. Your PR means your achievement in life is seen from 11th house. Your gains in bulk is also seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and your fulfillment of hopes and wishes and your elder siblings are also seen from 11th house. So right now your 11th house Lord is moving in your 12th house. 12th house deal with your expenses, losses, foreign settlement related matter is seen from 12th house. Your sleep pattern, your privacy, your bedroom is also seen from 12th house. Your donations, your long-term investment is also seen from 12th house, and ghost related activities means paranormal activities are also seen from 12th house. So right now your 11th house Lord is moving in your 12th house. First of all, we can expect good result regarding your elder siblings related matter if they want to move from their birthplace to some different country, because your 11th house Lord is moving in the house of foreign settlement. Secondly, you need to be take care of your gains related matter in the month of October, because your Lord of Gains is moving in the house of losses, in the house of expenses. Secondly, if you are interested in spirituality, then Sun perform very well for the spirituality in 12th house. So we can expect positive result regarding your spirituality related matter in the month of October. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Libra Ascendant people in the month of October. Sun will stay in your 12th house till 17th of October. After 17th of October, Sun will move to your first house in the sign of Libra. Also, you will have solar eclipse in your 12th house in the month of October. After 17th of October, when Sun will move to your first house, then we can expect positive result regarding your gains related matter and your money related matter, because after 17th of October, your 11th house Lord will be moving in your first house. But in your first house, Ketu and Mars is already moving. Mars just moved from your 12th house to your first house on 4th of October. But when after 17th of October, Sun will move to your first house, Mercury will also move to your first house on 19th of October. The point is that when Sun will move to your first house, Mars and Mercury, both the planets will be in a combust position. So that's why we can expect in the month of October, you need to be take care of your health related matter, your image related matter in society, and your respect related matter. There are chances you may have to face humiliation, you may have to face insult in the month of October, especially after 17th of October. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Libra Ascendant people in the month of October. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 12th house and your 9th house. And right now your 12th house Lord and 9th house Lord is moving in your 12th house, means right now Mercury is moving in its own sign. That's why we were saying in Sun section, if you are interested in spirituality related matter, then we can expect positive result for you people in the month of October. Also, your 12th house Lord is right now in a strong position, and Sun is also moving there before 17th of October. If you are interested to move from your birthplace along with your elder sibling, then we can also expect good result for you people regarding your foreign settlement related matter and your travel related matter. Mercury also controls your 9th house. 9th house deal with your religion, your religious knowledge is seen from 9th house. Your higher education means higher studies, post-grad education is seen from 9th house. Your long distance travel, your pilgrimage related matter is also seen from 9th house. Your second marriage is also seen from 9th house, and your luck related matter is also seen from 9th house. So your 9th house Lord is moving in your 12th house. That's why viewers, if you are interested to move from your birthplace to some different country, or if you are interested to travel, or if you're interested to trip some different country in the month of October, then we can expect positive result for you people in the month of October. But you need to be take care of your father's health, because father is also seen from 9th house, and father's Lord is also moving in your 12th house. 12th house also deal with hospitalization, and right now Mercury is moving in combust position, because Mercury is moving too close to Sun, and Mercury will move from your 12th house to your first house on 19th of October. Means Sun and Mercury move to your first house side by side. So we can expect these results from Mercury and Sun in the month of October for all the Libra Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Venus controls your first house and your 8th house. And right now your first house and 8th house Lord is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Leo. First house deal with you, your personality, your image in society seen from first house, your fundamental nature, your physique, your major aspects of life and general health is also seen from first house. Eighth house deal with your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from eighth house. Your sudden positive event, sudden negative event is seen from eighth house. Your secret activities is also seen from eighth house. Your sexual organ means your external sexual organ is also seen from eighth house, and disease related to sexual organ is also seen from eighth house. So right now your eighth house lord and first house lord is moving in 11th house, and 11th house lord is moving in your 12th house. But after 17th of September, but after 17th of October, when Sun will move to your first house, then your 11th house lord will be in your first house, and first house lord will be in 11th house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your money related matter, regarding your gains related matter. You may have unexpected and sudden gain of money in the month of October, because lot of sudden events, sudden positive event and sudden negative event is also moving in the house of gain, in the house of achievement. That's why we can expect positive result regarding money related matter and sudden unexpected gain in the month of October for you people. So we can expect these results for all the Libra Ascendant people from Venus in the month of October. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Moon controls your 10,000. Right now Moon is moving in your 9th house in the sign of Gemini. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of October, and on the basis of 6th October we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. First of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, difficulties and issues are always associated with these house. And Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon gets influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. Especially problem, issues and difficulty will come from the house significance through which the Moon is moving near naturally malefic planets. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Mars controls your 7th house and your 2nd house. And right now Mars is moving in your first house in the sign of Libra. Seventh house deal with your marriage, your legal binding, means your legal relationship is seen from seventh house. Your spouse, your nature of a spouse is seen from seventh house. Your business related matter is also seen from 11th house. Your business partnership is seen from 11th house. Your commitments, your legal binding, your agreements, means contractual things are also seen from seventh house. How you will meet others and how others perceive you, and your fame along with 10th house is also seen from seventh house. So right now your seventh house lord is moving in your first house, and from first house Mars is expecting its own house, means your seventh house. So and Jupiter and Rahu is also moving in your seventh house. Jupiter is a positive planet in seventh house, so we can expect positive result for your marriage related matter. If you are single right now, then we can expect you will have good proposals in the month of October, especially before 17th of October, till Sun is moving in your 12th house. But after 17th of October, when Sun will move to your first house, then Mars will be in a combust position. Ketu is also moving in your first house. Then after 17th of September, you need to be take care of your business related matter and your marriage related matter. You may have to face some argument, some confrontation regarding your business related matter and your marriage related matter. So we can expect these results from Mars in the month of October. Mars also controls your second house, and second house lord is moving in your first house. That's why we were saying before 17th of October, your house of gains lord is also moving in 12th house before 17th of October. And your second house, lord of savings, lords of bank account, lords of money, is also moving in your first house, 12 places away from itself. So you need to be take care of your savings related matter as well and your family related matter, because Mars will be in a combust position after 17th of October in your first house. That's why we were saying in some section you need to be take care of your image related matter, your respect related matter and matter in your society. You may have to face some humiliation and insult in the month of October. So we can expect these results for all the Libra Ascendant people from all the planets in the month of October. We will have 5 major astrological events in the month of October. First of all, as we discussed previously, Venus is right now moving in your 11th house, and Venus is just moved from your 10th house to 11th house on 2nd October in the sign of Leo. Second major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your first house, and Mars is just moved from your 12th house to your first house on 4 October in the sign of Libra. Third major astrological event is that Sun is right now moving in your 12th house, and after 17th of October, Sun will also move to your first house in the sign of Libra. Fourth major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 12th house, and after 19th of October, Mercury will also move to your first house side by side Sun in your first house. Last major astrological event is that you will have solar eclipse in your 12th house in the month of October. So you need to be take care about these matters as we discussed previously in this video. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of October 2023 for all the Libra Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.